Discover the secret powerhouse hiding in your spice rack. In this video, we'll unveil the incredible health benefits of cloves that you never knew about. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your overall wellness, stay tuned to find out how this tiny spice can make a huge difference in your life. Don't miss out. Your health revolution starts now. Cloves, known scientifically as Syzygium aromaticum, are the dried flower buds of a tree native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. As one of the oldest and most valuable spices in history, cloves have been treasured for their rich aroma, warm flavor, and remarkable medicinal properties. First traded during the ancient spice routes, cloves have played a crucial role in cultural and culinary traditions across the globe, from Asia and the Middle East to Europe. Originating from the Maluku Islands, also known as the Spice Islands, cloves have a fascinating history that stretches back thousands of years. Ancient texts from China mention cloves as early as 200 BCE, where they were used to freshen breath before speaking to the emperor. By the Middle Ages, cloves became a highly sought-after commodity, which led to immense economic and cultural exchanges between the East and the West. In this video, we'll delve deep into the world of cloves to discover how this potent spice can significantly enhance your health and wellness. You'll learn about the following. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Cloves. Nutritional profile. Explanation of antioxidants. Discuss the inflammatory process. Use of cloves in dental care. How cloves aid digestion. The role of the liver in health. Explanation of antimicrobial properties. The link between diet and cancer. Impact on blood sugar levels. Importance of bone health. How a strong immune system functions. Cloves in aromatherapy. Benefits of cloves for skin. How cloves help in respiratory conditions. How cloves can be a part of a weight loss diet. How cloves help with allergies. Quick recipes using cloves. Real-life stories of how cloves have helped individuals. Discuss any potential side effects, recommended daily intake, and precautions. With that said, let's dive in. Cloves are a potent spice with a rich nutritional profile. They are an excellent source of manganese, a mineral essential for brain health and bone formation. Cloves also contain fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants which protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Notably, cloves offer eugenol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. This makes them beneficial for pain relief and possibly improving heart health by reducing plaque buildup in arteries. Additionally, their antimicrobial properties can help fight harmful bacteria, making them a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. Incorporating cloves into meals can enhance flavor while boosting nutritional intake. Cloves are a treasure trove of antioxidants, compounds that play a crucial role in maintaining health by fighting free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, leading to chronic diseases and aging. Antioxidants in cloves, such as eugenol, neutralize these harmful particles and prevent them from causing harm. This not only supports the immune system, but also enhances skin health and reduces the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and cancer. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you benefit from their strong antioxidative properties, which help safeguard your body against oxidative stress and its associated ailments. Cloves, with their rich concentration of eugenol, serve as a potent natural remedy against inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, involving the activation of immune cells and the release of chemicals to protect and heal the body. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. Eugenol in cloves helps mitigate this by inhibiting enzymes and compounds that trigger inflammatory processes. Its ability to reduce inflammation not only provides relief from pain, but also lowers the risk of chronic diseases, making cloves a valuable spice in anti-inflammatory diets. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Cloves have long been valued in dental care for their antiseptic and analgesic properties, primarily due to the presence of eugenol, a natural compound that provides significant pain relief and bacterial control. This makes them highly effective in managing dental pain, including toothaches and gum soreness. Eugenol also helps reduce inflammation in the gums, which can prevent periodontal diseases. Many over-the-counter dental products, such as mouthwashes and toothpastes, include clove oil as a key ingredient. Additionally, chewing on a whole clove can temporarily alleviate toothache symptoms and freshen breath, making it a handy natural remedy for minor dental. Cloves are a beneficial spice for enhancing digestive health due to their stimulative and carminative properties. They stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which improves digestion and reduces incidence of dyspepsia and bloating. Cloves also have antiseptic properties that help in combating gastrointestinal infections and parasites, ensuring a healthy gut flora. Additionally, the eugenol in cloves can effectively relieve stomach pains, dispel gas, and alleviate nausea. This makes cloves a natural remedy for various digestive issues, promoting overall gastrointestinal health. Including cloves in daily meals or consuming them as a tea can help maintain a smoothly functioning. Cloves possess remarkable antimicrobial properties, making them effective against a broad spectrum of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. The primary compound responsible for these properties is eugenol, which acts as a powerful antibacterial and antifungal agent. Eugenol disrupts the cell membranes of pathogens, inhibiting their growth and survival. Studies have shown that clove oil can combat several common and harmful microorganisms, including E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. This antimicrobial efficacy not only supports the use of cloves in natural medicine for treating infections, but also promotes their incorporation into food preservation and natural disinfectant products, enhancing safety and extending shelf life. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. The liver plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall health, functioning as the body's primary detoxification organ. It processes nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract, detoxifies harmful substances, synthesizes proteins, and regulates blood clotting. Additionally, the liver stores vitamins and minerals and produces bile, crucial for digesting and absorbing fats. It also plays a significant role in metabolizing and breaking down medications and toxins, ensuring they are safely removed from the body. A healthy liver is vital for preventing diseases such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. Maintaining liver health through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive alcohol intake is essential for longevity and well-being. Diet plays a crucial role in cancer prevention, with certain foods like cloves offering protective benefits. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which has been shown to prevent cellular damage and reduce inflammation. Key factors in cancer development. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that can lead to mutations and cancerous growths. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of cloves can support a healthy gut microbiome, potentially reducing cancer risk. Studies suggest that a diet rich in spices like cloves, along with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can significantly lower the incidence of various cancers, emphasizing the importance of dietary choices in cancer prevention. Cloves can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels, making them particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Research indicates that compounds in cloves, including nigericin, enhance the uptake of sugar from the blood into cells, helping to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Additionally, the high antioxidant content in cloves can improve insulin function, thereby enhancing glucose metabolism and reducing blood sugar spikes. Regular consumption of cloves in meals or as a supplement could potentially aid in better overall glycemic control. This suggests that incorporating cloves into a diabetic-friendly diet might help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes-related complications. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Cloves are not only celebrated for their distinctive flavor, but also for their beneficial effects on bone health. They are rich in manganese, a crucial mineral necessary for the development and maintenance of bones. Manganese aids in the formation of bone regulatory enzymes and hormones, and it plays a key role in the mineralization of bone. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help reduce pain and swelling associated with bone disorders like osteoporosis and arthritis. Incorporating cloves into your diet can contribute to stronger bone structure and density, reducing the risk of fractures and promoting overall skeletal health. Cloves offer numerous benefits for skin health, thanks to their rich content of antioxidants and antibacterial properties. The antioxidants, primarily eugenol, help fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging, wrinkles, and skin sagging. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of cloves make them effective in treating acne and reducing skin infections. Eugenol also has anti-inflammatory effects that can help soothe skin irritation and redness. Regular use of clove oil or powdered cloves in skincare routines can improve skin clarity, reduce inflammation, and promote a youthful complexion. However, it's essential to use diluted clove oil to avoid skin irritation. Cloves are a traditional remedy used to alleviate symptoms of various respiratory conditions due to their anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and expectorant properties. Eugenol, the main compound in cloves, helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, easing coughs and soothing sore throats. Additionally, cloves have antimicrobial properties that can help fight respiratory infections by killing off pathogens that cause illnesses like bronchitis and pneumonia. The expectorant nature of cloves assists in loosening mucus in the airways, making it easier to expel. Using cloves in teas or inhaling clove steam can provide relief from congestion and help clear the respiratory passages. Incorporating cloves into a weight loss diet can offer several benefits due to their metabolic properties. Cloves contain compounds that can help boost metabolism, aiding the body in burning calories more efficiently. Their rich antioxidant content also supports detoxification processes, which is crucial for maintaining optimal metabolism. Additionally, cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. The spice's thermogenic properties increase body heat, further promoting fat burn. Including cloves in daily meals, such as in teas or as a seasoning, can enhance flavor without adding calories, making it easier to adhere to a weight loss diet plan. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Cloves can be beneficial for those suffering from allergies due to their anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. The active component eugenol in cloves helps reduce inflammation associated with allergic reactions, such as nasal congestion, sneezing, and itching. Eugenol also has the ability to inhibit the release of histamine, the chemical responsible for many allergy symptoms, thus providing relief. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of cloves can help prevent sinus infections that often exacerbate allergy symptoms. Consuming cloves in teas or using clove oil in aromatherapy can help manage allergy symptoms naturally, providing a soothing effect during allergy seasons. Cloves, with their intense aroma and flavor, can be easily incorporated into quick recipes to enhance both taste and health benefits. One simple recipe is clove tea. Steep a teaspoon of whole cloves in boiling water for 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. It's excellent for digestion and respiratory health. For a quick spice rub, grind cloves with black pepper, garlic powder, and salt, and apply to meats before cooking for a flavorful boost. Another fast idea is to stud an orange with cloves and bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, creating a fragrant and healthy dessert. These simple uses of cloves add a rich flavor and health-promoting properties to everyday dishes. Many individuals have experienced significant health benefits from incorporating cloves into their lives. One such story involves Sarah, a middle-aged woman who suffered from chronic dental pain. After starting to chew on a clove each day, she noticed a remarkable reduction in her toothache and gum inflammation. Another case is John, who battled frequent respiratory infections. He began using a homemade inhalation therapy with clove oil, which significantly reduced his symptoms and recovery time. Additionally, Emma, who struggled with high blood sugar levels, incorporated ground cloves into her diet and saw a steady improvement in her glucose readings. These real-life examples underscore cloves' versatile health benefits. While cloves offer numerous health benefits, they can also have potential side effects, particularly when consumed in large quantities. Overuse of cloves or clove oil can lead to gastrointestinal irritation, including stomach pain, nausea, and diarrhea. Due to its potent properties, clove oil can cause skin irritation or allergic reactions when applied topically without adequate dilution. Additionally, the eugenol in cloves, although beneficial in moderate amounts, can be hepatotoxic, liver damaging, if consumed excessively. Pregnant women and individuals with bleeding disorders or on anticoagulant medication should use cloves cautiously, as they can potentially interfere with blood clotting mechanisms. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment with cloves. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. When incorporating cloves into your diet, it's important to adhere to recommended guidelines to avoid adverse effects. For most adults, using cloves as a spice in cooking is generally safe in typical culinary amounts. However, medicinal use of cloves or clove oil should be approached with caution. A daily intake of 2 to 3 cloves per day is considered safe for most people. Clove oil should be used sparingly, typically a few drops in a carrier oil or diluted in water. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid excessive amounts. Individuals with liver conditions, bleeding disorders, or those on anticoagulant therapy should consult with a healthcare provider before using cloves therapeutically to ensure safety. Cloves are more than just a spice. They are a powerhouse of health benefits. From enhancing digestion and controlling blood sugar to alleviating dental pain and fighting off infections, cloves offer a wide array of health advantages. Their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties make them a vital addition to a healthy lifestyle. Now that you've seen the power of cloves, how this spice can boost your overall health and wellness, don't let this knowledge go to waste. Start incorporating cloves into your daily routine and experience the transformative effects they can have on your health. Remember, a small step can lead to big changes. Subscribe for more health insights and spice up your life with the magic of cloves.